And engine 6 and the door is opening on January 25th, one day after we caught them going on a non-essential run. Twice, as a matter of fact. Yesterday they made runs to the market. Let's see what happens. And here's engine 6 pulling out. No lights on. Where could they be going? And they saw me, looked right at me. Yep, they looked right at me. They definitely made me. That's okay. We kind of know where they're going. And we're approaching Hoxie Four Corners. Hoxie Four Corners, engine 6. No lights on, non-emergency. Where could they be going? Well, the blinker's on, going into Dave's Market. There's a surprise! Into the market. And here's the gentleman just leaving the engine, going into the market. And there's the lookout. Three guys, and he's waving. Right, there he is, just waving, knowing that they're violating the Board of Public Safety ordinances, that you cannot take a piece of apparatus shopping when it's a non-emergency. And now the gentleman's taking video of me. But he doesn't realize I'm not doing anything wrong. So now they called the battalion chief, and now he's coming to Dave's. And now the battalion chief is leaving after they called him. So engine 6 and the battalion chief, wasting fuel, going to Dave's Market, non-essential run, not an emergency. 4 people. Nice, we could afford it, right? Now they called the police officer, and now a police officer has just arrived in the back of Dave's and has pulled up to the fire truck and is speaking with the driver. And now they have the battalion chief following me. All this for a shopping run, guys. And now they have another police officer going by. And the battalion chief still driving around back into Dave's to go talk to the police officer. This is the expenses that we incur because they're shopping in direct violation of the Border Safety ordinances. And there's the battalion chief and the driver all the way in the back, hiding out behind the building. And here comes the police officer. And now the battalion chief is leaving. So now I have the police officer that's pulled up behind my vehicle. As you can see, right here. And the police officer is approaching me.
How we doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. So they want to issue you a no trespass order.
For what?
For the property, okay? It's a private property. They can issue a no trespass
Who?
order if they
Who-
want
who
to.
can do that?
The manager of Days Market.
I'm not on Dave's Market.
So if you don't go back there, you won't have any problems.
I wasn't on Dave's Market.
Well, you were. So if you can't go back there, and if you do, you get arrested.
So all this because the Warwick Fire Department's in violation of city ordinance.
Right. Well, whatever issues you have with the fire department,
Yeah.
you can take up with the city council and the
Yeah.
mayor's office.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as long as you stay off of their property,
Yeah.
you won't have.
Hey,
any
that's fine. You know why?
Yep.
Because I shop at Stop and Shop, so I really don't care.
Perfect.
Great.
All right.
How do you like that, ladies and gentlemen? There's Warwick's finest. And so now the police officer is going back to the fire department who made a complaint that a citizen is videotaping them. Oh, boo-hoo, boo-hoo. And here come the boys again, waving goodbye. As we still have a police officer hanging out.